This video demos how to use Manupatra's AI search. To get started, click on the AI search button in the tab shown in the video. This is the Manupatra AI search page. Manupatra's AI search understands natural language. This means you can type your query just the way you think. No need for exact keywords. You can ask questions, explore concepts, compare ideas, and much more. Type your query here. The AI understands the context, meaning, and intent behind your words. With AI search, you don't need long, complicated Boolean strings. Just apply filters here to get accurate results. Once you have written your query, click on the search button and let AI analyze your query. Wait for a minute while AI brings you the 10 most relevant cases. The system even handles common spelling errors and variations. Based on your query, AI search provides the 10 most relevant results in a clean and compact form. In search results, each case is broken down into easy-to-read sections, including relevance, facts, issues, petitioner's arguments, respondent's arguments, section analysis, court's reasoning, ratio decidendi, and summary. In this tab section, you will find all the relevant information about the case. Click on any tab to read that part of the case, or click All to view the entire case brief. Here you can view the information of the tab you have selected. You can also see the source text of the generated information from the case file. Click on the highlighted box to see the source text of the shown information. To verify the source, simply hover over the reference button. This helps ensure the information is accurate and not hallucinated. You will find the source text in a floating box as shown in the highlighted area. On the right panel, you'll find an AI-generated summary of your query. This built-in analysis highlights key issues, major holdings, important cases, argument strategies, legal remedies, counter-arguments, and practical guidance. To read the full judgment, click the citation button. And if you want to start fresh, click Reset to clear all filters and inputs. Manupatra's AI search, making legal research faster, smarter, and easier.